My name is Tolulope Jaji, and I had an experience of a surgical procedure here at Lagoon Hospital in Ikoyi. A few months ago, about January 2023 to early February thereabout, I was diagnosed with a tumor in the brain. It was a traumatic one, and we had to start looking for available healthcare options. We initially looked for options of traveling outside the country to go and do this surgery because of how delicate it was. But however, the situation seemed to deteriorate a little faster than expected. So we had to get the surgery done as soon as possible. As a result, we had to look for possible alternatives here in Nigeria, and most of the recommendations we got pointed to one of the doctors here at Lagoon Hospital as the best alternative or best option. And once one or two different people had given that recommendation, we had to look inwards here and consider doing the surgery here, which was eventually done. And I must say that I was really impressed with the way the whole surgery was carried out. The pre-surgery and during the surgery, I would say their professionals here handled things to the best of their ability and as professionally as can be. I was actually quite surprised that such services are available here in Nigeria, and such level of professionalism can actually be gotten here in Nigeria. The doctors, the nurses, the staff acted with utmost professionalism and care. You know, even the way they come to you from time to time to actually check up on you, I was like, okay, am I actually outside Nigeria or where? You know, and up to the issue of even the cleaners and the cleaning of the rooms, you see the care with which everything is done. The front desk, everybody acts with professionalism. And to the glory of God, the surgery was a very big success. Went into the ICU immediately after, and people there actually acted well. And from there back to the ward, spent about a week afterwards in the hospital. The care was good. Once I was discharged, I went home and continued the care mostly from home. And even that, at least when there were issues, I had to call in to one or two of the doctors to get guidance. And to the glory of God, everything went well. Back here, this is almost 6 months after the surgery, and seeing the neurosurgeons again, they actually confirmed that the healing process is much more impressive than they even expected. So I would like to commend Lagoon Hospital, even from the medical director, even up to the neurosurgeons, Dr. Tayo Ojo and Dr. Onya, and all the nurses, the matrons, you know, and the other doctors that I saw. I'd like to commend them and also recommend the services, you know, to as many other Nigerians that may be in such situations or require them. Thank you.
Their CMD here, Dr. Ino, is particularly so friendly and humble. And anywhere you turn to, go to their accounts, you can see the professionalism in that. Go to their protocol, their front desk, and all the rest. They are highly professional. So I want to seize this opportunity to say a big thank you to the entire team in Lagoon Hospital, right from the CMD, and particularly to the two consultants, Dr. Ujo, Dr. Onya, for not getting tired of us. Because any slight headache, any slight sometimes, we call them even in the midnight, and they are very responsive. So I want to say thank you to them, and I want to encourage them to keep it up. I want to recommend this hospital to anybody that needs the services, because until now, somebody like you will never have believed that this kind of service is available in Nigeria. But they stand there and are bridging the gap very well. So thank you, the Lagoon Ikoyi team.